Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. We will begin by preparing a marinade for our chicken. For that, we'll use this batter that I've made. I pre-make this batter, so here's a list of ingredients that go in it. The list is also in the description box below. It's very simple and easy to follow. Take a bit of water. And then we'll add in this mixture that we've made. And we'll mix that into the water. It needs to be a very thin, runny consistency. We're going to be submerging the chicken in there completely. So we want to have enough water in there that when we put our chicken in, it's fully submerged. As you can see, it's a very runny consistency. That's what we're looking for. Now we'll start adding our chicken to the marinade. As you can see, I've trimmed all the fat off, but I've left the skin on. To make really good southern fried chicken, you want the skin on. You want that nice crisp skin. So it's best to always leave the skin on. We're going to put all of these in there and then put this in the fridge overnight, or you can leave it in the fridge for 2 hours and then follow the same recipe. Right, we've taken our chicken out of the fridge, and then what we're going to do now is, I've taken the same mixture that we made earlier and we used it as the marinade. What I'm going to do is take the chicken and dip it in there. As you can see, I'm putting the mixture straight onto the chicken. It will stick to the chicken because the chicken has absorbed all of that water and mixture that we made earlier and soaked the chicken in. We want to cover all the bits. Making sure that the mixture is fully coating the chicken pieces. And I don't like to leave it to rest after I've put the breading on. I like it to go straight in the fryer. So we'll take our oil. I've taken a deep fryer. I've turned the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. You can do this in a frying pan or a skillet. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll add our chicken pieces in there. We want to leave our chicken pieces to fry for about 16 to 18 minutes, depending on your sizes, your chicken size and your piece size. Because this is a pressure fryer, I'll just put the lid on, let it fry. And in about 15 to 18 minutes, we'll have perfectly crisp southern fried chicken. So let's open this up, have a look. Take this out. Yeah, that's just nice and golden. As you can see, it's really nice. The color's nice on there. Nice and crispy. So we'll leave that to rest for 3 to 4 minutes before we plate up. So with southern fried chicken, you don't need much. I'm just serving it straight on a plate, putting the pieces on there. I'm going to serve this with some chips, which I've fried. You can oven cook your chips. And I'm serving it with some gravy that I've made. Please try this recipe out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on with this. If you like our recipes, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.